Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save and share Placemarks inside Google Earth Pro. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So I'll just go for the first way. So find that location or placemark inside Google Earth Pro. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to go here, click on Placemark right here. I can move this around. I'm just going to call this Stokes Bay accommodation. Now I'm going to click OK. And now on the top here, we've got these other little buttons. We want to click on the one that says mail. So click onto that and then choose email attachment. So screenshot, send an image of the current view, send a KML file, which will open the current view in Google Earth, or select placemark folder. So send a KML file, which open as a placemark folder on Google Earth. So from here, just go ahead and click on email and then use your default email and send that or share that with whoever. Now, another way to do this is so I've placed that placemark on the left hand side. Make sure you got places open. Right click on your placemark and then click on save place as. And now I'm going to choose a KMZ file or KML, it doesn't matter, Stokes Bay accommodation. Now I'm going to go ahead and save that. Then from there, I'm just going to open up my emails or whatever platform and then send that file off there. So I'm inside my documents here. Here it is, Stokes Bay accommodation. So yeah, I can go ahead and share this with whoever I choose.